Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Ray Albert, and we're going to continue on our journey in building our website from scratch. And today I'm going to do a little video about more SEO, because there's a couple of things that I forgot to add to the SEO, which one was the schema markup and the cookie notification that pops up at the bottom of your website, or wherever. Some websites put it some of them put it in different places, but you need that cookie notification. It's the law. So anyway, let's get to it. So what is schema markup anyway? Well, this is good old Neil Patel right here, and I'm going to let Neil Patel show us what schema markup is. So schema is a code, schematic vocabulary that you put onto your website to help the search engines return more information results for the users. If you've ever used rich snippets, you'll understand exactly what schema markup is all about. So here's an example of what schema markup does. It tells the search engine to render the result of this particular business right here, and it gives the information that the website has about this business and about what they're doing. And so the schema markup told the search engine results to display a schedule of upcoming hotel events for the user. And so the whole thing, like I said, is it's all about user experience for Google. Google wants you to find what you're looking for. The best search engine is only going to give you one result, and we know that's not going to happen because how does Google get their search results? Through bots or spiders that crawl the web of thousands and billions of web pages and blog pages, to find the correct exact term that you're looking for. That's why keywords research is so important, because you don't want to write about anything. You want to write about what people are actually looking for, so you can show up in the search results for that keyword phrase that people are searching for, called search intent. Okay, so now what is the cookie law? Okay, I call it the cookie law, but it's actually called the GDPR, and it's a privacy thing that came out a little bit a while ago, maybe a couple of years ago, and it's a piece of privacy legislation that requires websites to get consent for visitors to store or retrieve any information on the computer, smartphones, tablets, etc. And the reason you get these cookies is so that the website can load up faster. Plus, in these cookies, they can track you and everything else. You ever go to a store, see something that you like, all of a sudden you go on your computer and there it is in your face all the time. That's what cookies do. So we save cookies on your computer, and you either have to say yes to it or no to it or X out of it or something, but they're telling you that they do store cookies, information about your website and what you're doing. So that's what that's all about. So we have to put those on our website. So how are we going to do that? Okay, so let's go back to good old rankbrainseo.com, this website that I'm building with you to show you how to do this stuff. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go into the plugins right here. And this is just a simple two-step operation. And so far we got these plugins right here, really simple as a cell: Wordpress Security, Yoast SEO. And if you don't have these on your website yet, all you have to do is go back to the playlist here on YouTube or Vimeo or wherever you're seeing this, and just go back to the part where I'm doing the website, okay? And we did these in the beginning. So we're going to add a new plugin, of course. And for the cookies, I'm just going to put cookies and see what pops up. See, you can do a lot of searches like this too, right? So here we go. GDPR cookie consent. There's a lot of them, but I use this one here. This is like the simplest one, and I think it does a really good job. So I'm going to install this, and then I'm going to activate it. And then we're going to add another new plugin. And I'm going to put schema in here. Okay, schema and this is the one that I'm using right here. Schema all-in-one, rich snippets. You know what? I'm going to try this one on my website. I mean, you can download all of these, and when you get to them, I'll show you what you got to do. Okay, so I'm going to download that, install it. Okay, so here we are in the back end of the Schema snippets here, and this is how it works. You got to configure your settings, add markup to your pages, and test your rich snippets. Okay. So we're going to start here with configuration. So this is a software video article. Okay, so this is just what they show in the snippet. Okay, customization. You know, how do you want it to look? FAQs. Okay, so this is really pretty simple here. Okay, really simple. So if you go to any pages, let's go to a page here that we built. And let's go to the home page. And you want to go to the edit to get to the schema part. And so you can see right here, it says configure rich snippets. So, you know, if you want to show something here in your schema, all you do is you just click this down button and, you know, you pick what kind of blog post it is and what kind of page it is, you know, what it refers to, because that's what schema is it tells the search engine or Google, you know, what exactly this page is all about. You're supposed to do that in your SEO when you're doing the page, but this helps it even more. Okay, so that's how you do that. So now we're going to go to the see where it says GDPR cookie consent right here. So here's the law settings, privacy generator, blah, 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 blah. So you want to create a policy generator as well, privacy policy generator. But I believe we have that in our pages. Let's go back to the pages here. I think there's one. Yeah, Neil Patel, I know. So yeah, here we got privacy policy draft here. So what you want to do is you want to complete this privacy policy so that you have it on your website, and so every time that somebody goes to your website, you have the privacy policy there as well. So to get going with the GDPR thing here, so let's go to the settings, and cookie bar is on, and we're going to have a banner effect. It's going to show in the footer. It's going to be sticky. It's going to animate. So this is good. Okay, so this is all that. Now, if I go to my website, let's go to the website real quick, and you'll see that the cookie bar will pop up. This website uses cookies to improve experience, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you either accept it or you don't. I think after a certain amount of time, it should go like, and if it doesn't, because you don't want that to stay there forever. If you go back here to the dashboard and you go to the cookie settings, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cookie bar, customize cookie bar. I just want to do something here. I want the cookie bar color to be black, and I want the text to be white. That's what I want. Okay, and customization buttons. Okay, so we're going to leave the button the way it is, and let's go back to general here. Let's see if it auto hide cookie bar after delay. Yes. Okay, so after delay it says 8,000 nanoseconds equals 8 seconds. So after 8 seconds, this bar will disappear when you when it pops up. So let's just go and make sure. And there again, so there's the cookie bar. Let's see if it goes away after 8 seconds. There it is. It's gone. So that's how that works. All right, so let's go back here to the dashboard and let's get our privacy policy page all done here. So we got all that done, and we can continue on with building our website in the next video. Okay, privacy policy. We'll edit this. Okay, so this right here has got everything you need. It's got your website there. Tells you all about the comments and everything like that. Then all you have to do is publish the page. Yes, publish. Okay, so the page is published. So what we want to do now is we want to go into the menu. Okay, we're going to create a menu. We're going to call it the main menu. I already got it right there. And we're going to create it. Okay, we're going to make this our primary menu. And we're going to add the About page. Let's see, let's view them all. The home page, the blog page, the privacy page, and the About page. We're going to add all those to the menu. And you can move these around anywhere you want. I might put this right here. And maybe put the About there. Okay, we're going to save the menu. So now you have your privacy page there. If we go to our website, here's the menu up here with all of our pages. Okay? Okay, so that concludes this video for more SEO stuff. Okay, and so tomorrow I promise you we're going to do more things to the home page, because we got to build out this home page so that it is presentable, and at least you're going to have one page that you could go through, and then I will show you how to do a blog page. And once you learn how to do these things and set them up, and then be able to, after you list them in your Google Search Console, this is how Google's going to find your pages. So that's why you've got to do your keyword research, so you rank for certain keywords, so Google will show you in the search results. Okay, so this is Ray Albert. If you love the videos that I'm putting out here on this channel, if you love the information, the content, please go down there and subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and ting the icon bell so you're notified every time I come out with a new video. I'll see you in the next one.